Here I have Motorola Moto E40, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then what you have to do is to use this Google Lens feature. So to use it you firstly have to go to settings and enable it, like you have it enabled by default, but if you accidentally disabled it, you just go to settings and enable it like this. Now tap on this icon, tap open camera while using the app, allow, and now let's scan for example this QR code. So as you can see, as soon as my camera spots it, it suggests me the page which is being encoded into this QR code. So you can just tap on the search icon and this page will be opened instantly. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.